We've already started at the back. We've done 3 on the ground floor. We've just done that one there, which is fixed. Now we've got to do this one here and that one there. There's 9 trickle vents in total on this one, but these ones are quite high up. Stand guys, so we're doing trickle vents in Coventry today. As you can see, we're all set up. We've done the fronts. That one's going to be tricky. That one there, you can see the ladders are all the way up. I've got to climb up there and do one there. So there's one there. Okay, one there. One here. One on the side there. One there. One upstairs. One behind this drain pipe. And then we've already done 3 at the front. I'll just take you outside and show you the ones at the front. Oh, come on, Luke. Let's step through. So we're in Coventry today, Lower Street. So I've done that one there. Me and our Lewis. That one there. That one there. And that one there's already done. So 9 in total. And these are really going to help this customer's house eliminate mould, condensation, you know, damp. Now I've got to tell you guys, that one was a bit of a way up. I've got this one left to do. I've got to go up to that one. That one's done, that one's done, that one's done, that one's done. And then we've got this one to do up here. That one's going to be tricky because of the pitch roof underneath it. I'm not going to stand on that because it doesn't look too good. I don't know who built it. So we've just got that one to do now. You can see that one up there is done. And then it's home time. We've got just the rain to come. Sound guys, so another Saturday working and another house full of trickle vents. So we're in Lower Street in Coventry in Hillfields. 1, 2, 3. And then we come through into the house. That's it. Checked all the rooms, yeah?
Absolutely everything.
Good lad, good lad. Right, just go through to the back. Just got to show what we've done, mate. Okay, so that's 3, as you can see. And then we've had to do these ones, which have been a nightmare. Okay, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then one at the top, 9. Hopefully now this house is going to breathe a lot better. It will reduce a lot of condensation. They really work, guys. If you've got loads of condensation, damp and mould in your house, put trickle vents on and they allow your house to breathe. Your house will dry up in a week. And then look, factory set them do. That one was a nightmare. It doesn't really do the justice of how high it is, but that's triple ladders that is to get to the top of there. That's your ladders all the way up. Right, on to the next one.